Welcome to our workout videos. This time, we will focus on butterfly. The point of this workout is to help you swim smoother and faster by putting into practice some of our ideas from the other videos. This workout is 1,350 meters or yards long. Butterfly is not an easy stroke to swim, especially for your shoulders, so make sure you warm up properly. Now, get in the pool to swim 10-25s easy, alternating between freestyle and butterfly kick on your back. To start the technique set, do 4 25s one-arm butterfly. Then, do 3 100s. The first 75 meters will be freestyle, and the last 25 will be this drill butterfly. It's butterfly kick with freestyle stroke. Now that you're warmed up and have practiced the butterfly movements, let's move on to the main set. Do 3 75s individual medley without the freestyle. So 25 fly, 25 back, and 25 breast. After you do that 3 times, you will end up on the other side of the pool. So swim 25 easy. Now do 10 25s. We will alternate again. The odd ones will be freestyle and the even ones butterfly. I am only interested in the butterfly ones, so you can do the intensity you want on the freestyle ones, but make sure you have speed and the best form possible on the butterfly ones. This last part is optional. If you want to strengthen your core a little more, do 4 times 10 seconds of dolphin vertical kick, resting the least amount possible. To finish, do a 200 easy and stretch. If you don't want to stretch on the floor, at least stretch in the pool. This workout is part of our Workout of the Day program. With this program, you can get a new workout every time you want to go swim. This has helped me and others stay motivated because every workout is different. With 3 levels of difficulty, you can choose the one that is right for you. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the program, or visit skillswimming.com by clicking here and find out more about the program. See you there, swim fast!